In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. Let's start right from your Squarespace dashboard. Click Website, then click Pages to open your site's page panel. You might notice there isn't a dedicated landing page template available here, and that's totally fine. We'll build a clean, focused landing page from scratch, so you have full control over the layout and content. Click Add Blank Page. A blank page is perfect for a landing page because it keeps distractions to a minimum. Once the page opens, begin by adding your section blocks. Think of sections as horizontal slices of your page. Start with one simple section to keep things streamlined, and you can layer in more later if you need. Inside that section, add a text block. This will be your main message area. Set the text style to heading 1 so it becomes your primary headline. Then type your landing page title, something straightforward like Coming Soon or Work in Progress. A strong, clear headline helps visitors understand where they are and what to expect in just a glance. Now design the rest of the page to your desire. Keep it minimal so the focus stays on your goal. You might adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. And if you add any supporting text, make it short and purposeful. If you choose to include an image or a simple background, ensure it doesn't overpower your main message. The key with landing pages is clarity and a single point of focus. When you're happy with the content and layout, hover over your new page in the Pages list and click the gear icon that appears. In the settings that open, set this page as the home page. Making it your home page ensures visitors land here first, which is exactly what you want for a coming soon or work in progress site. Next, clean up your navigation so visitors don't wander away from your landing page. Drag all the other pages in the list into the Not Linked section. This removes them from your main navigation but keeps them available to you in the back end. Alternatively, you can click the gear icon on each page and disable them individually. Either option prevents those pages from showing up to visitors while you're still working. And there you go. You've created a simple, effective landing page on Squarespace, set it as your home page, and hidden everything else until you're ready. Keep it focused, keep it clear, and you'll make a strong first impression. That's all.